Hi guys, gonna give the cardboard glider another go. This time I've stuck a fiberglass spar along the bottom of the fuselage to try and stiffen it up a bit. There's not much wind. The wing, I've just put super glue on it to try and stiffen it up. If that doesn't work, then we'll have to put a fiberglass spar across there as well. But we'll see how we get on. If we can just get it to fly, it'd be nice. Alright, that looks a bit tail heavy now. That's probably the addition of that spar. Let's try that again. With extra nose weight now. Well, it's gliding a bit. Well, there we go. We got that far, and now that bit of repair there is gone again. So we're going to have to stiffen that up a bit now, aren't we? Still, it went better than I expected. So we'll class that as a sort of a success, but clearly that's the weak spot, so I'm going to have to add some strengtheners right across there to hold it together. Well, we came close to a glide then before it broke again.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.